Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick little Halloween haul. I was going to do one large Halloween haul, but I started to think about it and I don't want to overwhelm you guys with 5 to 6 collections in one video, because then it's just like, oh my gosh, she's showing way too much. So I thought I'd break it up and share with you guys kind of like in one video the cutesy Halloween, and then do another video showcasing a different style of Halloween, like more of a spooky, traditional, vintagey Halloween. So stay tuned for another video showcasing Cartabella, Echo Park, because there's tons of Halloween collections out there right now, and I certainly needed a bunch. There's even more cutesy Halloween, like Simple Stories, Say Cheese Halloween. There's that one. There's another Simple Stories. There's quite a few that I'm going to show you guys, but we're going to focus on Hey Pumpkin just on this video because it's super cute, you guys. And Peachy Cheap has it on, well, had it on twice already on their site, so it was a great deal. I purchased both times, you guys, because I'm just crazy like that. But let's get into the video because I am rambling. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this super cute paper pad, and this is a 6x8. I will be purchasing the 12x12 when it comes out in Scrapbookcom. It's not available yet. I just want the 12x12 to make bigger projects. But you guys, this collection is so cute. I love it. Look at this. I'm sure you've seen it, but you haven't seen it here. Is that not the cutest? I love it. I love cutesy Halloween. I love candy corns. I just am obsessed with this collection, and I need all the pieces. So I got the sticker book, which you get 202 stickers, and you get these and these. I don't know if these are clear. I think they're clear. And some holographic ones. So I got that. Of course, the puffy stickers. And then we got the ephemera. Get all these yummy pieces. I feel like they could have gone a little bit more detailed with the ephemera, like more little characters, maybe like the little girl and stuff like that, but it's okay. That's what we'll use the chipboard for. I also got these super cute little ghost tassels. It's like a banner, but I won't be using it as a banner. I'm going to use them as individual pieces. Super cute, and you get 10 in a pack. A little pricey, but I needed to have it. I also got the thickers, the alphas. I usually never go for the alphas, but these are so pretty, you guys. They're kind of like holographic in the middle. You see that? So of course I wanted to get that. Then we got the cardstock stickers. So cute, you guys. It reminds me of Spooky Boo, and Spooky Boo was one of my favorite collections last year. Oh, that came off. And that's why I love this one so much. Look how cute. So I did get another Peachy Cheap, put it up for the second time. I think in less than 2 weeks they put up Hey Pumpkin, and I purchased it both times, you guys. So I have a whole other kit coming in the mail. And then, you guys, I got the chipboard. I need another one because one is never enough. So cute. Look at that ghost. And then I also got 2 of the cut apart sheets. And let me show you guys what they look like. I think I got 3 of them. So we have this one, and these are the little cut aparts that you get. And that's the opposite side. And then we have this one. So cute. These are perfect to make like cards. That's the opposite side. And then this is perfect for the October daily. So you got your numbers all the way through 31. I'm like an extra one right here. This is perfect for that. Are you guys doing October dailies? I am definitely going to do one and use this collection for it because I love it so much. But yeah, you guys, that is my Halloween haul of Hey Pumpkin. Stay tuned for a few other collections coming your way. There's so many and so many really good ones, you guys. Like Echo Park and Cartabella. Thumbs up on those because they are super cute. Even Simple Stories has a bunch of cute ones. So definitely stay tuned for that. Everything is going to be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.